Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Shotgun by George Ezra. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are F major, B flat major, D minor, and C major. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. The next chord that we're going to learn to play is B flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. This is B flat major. The next chord is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. And our last chord for this song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be F major for 4 beats, B flat major for 4 beats, D minor for 4 beats, and C major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the strumming patterns for this song, and we're going to break it up into 2 sections. The first section is going to cover the intro, verse 1, pre-chorus 1, and pre-chorus 3. And the second section is going to cover verse 2, pre-chorus 2, the choruses, the bridge, and the outro. So the first section, which again is going to be for the intro, verse 1, pre-chorus 1, and pre-chorus 3, is going to be down strums on the first beat of every chord. Basically, the strumming pattern for the first section is just ringing out the chords like we did when we practiced through the chord progression. Since we've already done that, let's move on to section 2, which again is for verse 2, pre-chorus 2, the choruses, the bridge, and the outro. And that strumming pattern is just going to be down, tap, pause, down, tap. Let's play through that strumming pattern on the F major chord. Down, tap, pause, down, tap. 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 And now let's add the chord progression to that strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know our chords, the chord progression, and the strumming patterns, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Shotgun. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. And at the end of the song, we're just going to ring out on an F major chord. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my play-along video for Shotgun. And that's how you play Shotgun by George Ezra. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Sunstar Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so that you can check out their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.